Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us discuss about formula of definite integrals involving trigonometric functions. Look at these formulas. Integral 0 to pi sine mx into sine nx dx, which is having two results. First one, 0 is equal to 0, where m, n are integers and m is not equal to n. Second result, which is equal to pi by 2, where m, n are integers and m equal to n. Look at here, if both here m and n are equal, then this is pi by 2. If m and n are not equal, it is 0. Next, integral 0 to pi cos mx into cos nx. This also having two results. As 0, where m and n m and n are integers and m is not equal to n. Then which is equal to pi by 2, where m, n are integers as well, m is equal to n. If m equal to n, this is pi by 2. If m is not equal to n, it is 0. Next, integral 0 to pi sin mx cos nx are equal to 0 if m, n are integers and m is not equal to n, which is equal pi by 2, where m, n are integers and m equal to n. These are having same results. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine squared x dx. Here, sin mx cos nx dx, the second result is not like here, this is something. Here, integral 0 to pi sin mx cos nx is here, where 2m divided by 2m squared minus n squared. This result is 2m divided by m squared minus n squared if m and n are integers, as well m plus n is odd. Next one, integral sine squared x dx first. First, sine squared x dx, integral sine squared x dx, and same result, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos squared x dx. Both result have pi by 4. Next one more result here in between you write integral integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2m x dx equal integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 2m x dx equal 1 into 3 into 5 odd multiples into dot 2m minus 1 over even multiple 2 into 4 into 6 into like up to 2m into pi by 2 where m equals integers, positive integer 1, 2, 3 like. Next result, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 2m plus 1 is the result like, which is equal to m minus 1 it is equal for the integral 0 to pi by 2 for cos power 2m plus 1 x dx equal to 4 6 like 2m over 1 3 5 2m plus 1 where m equal to 1 2 3 like. Next result, integral sine 0 to sine pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine of 2p minus 1 x dx into cos power 2q minus 1 x dx, which is equal factorial function of p into factorial function of q over 2 into factorial function of p plus q. Next result, integral 0 to infinity sine px over x dx equal, having two results. First, pi by 2 if p is greater than 0. It is 0 when p equal to 0. When minus pi by 2 when p is lesser than 0. These three results. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine px cos qx over x dx. Which is having three results. Look at here. Integral 0 to infinity sine px cos qx over x dx is having 0 if p is greater than q greater than 0. Then pi by 2 0 is lesser p lesser q, and which is equal pi by 4 if p is equal to q, which are greater than 0. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine px cos qx dx over x square having two results, which is pi into p by 2 if 0 is lesser than p is greater than 0 and q is greater or equal to q. Next, pi q by 2 when p is greater or equal to q greater to 0. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine squared px over x square, which is equal pi p by 2. Next result, integral 0 to infinity 1 minus cos px over x square dx equal pi p over 2. Next, integral 0 to infinity cos px minus cos qx over x square dx equal pi into q minus p over 2. And next one, integral 0 to infinity cos mx dx by x square plus a square dx, which is equal pi by 2a e power minus ma. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine mx over integral 0 to infinity sine mx over x into x square plus a square dx equal pi over 2a square 1 minus e minus ma. Next one, integral 0 to 2 pi dx over a plus b sin x here, which is equal to pi over square root of a squared minus b squared. Same 0 to integral 0 to 2 pi dx over a plus b cos x, which is equal 2 pi over integral 0 to a squared minus b squared. Both are having same results here. Next one, integral 0 to 2 pi dx over a plus b sin x whole square equal further 0 to 2 pi dx over a plus b cos x whole square, having both results same, which is equal 2 pi a over a squared minus b squared power 3 by 2. Next result, look at here, this one 0 to 2 pi dx over 1 minus 2a cos x plus a square, which is equal 2 pi over 1 minus a square, where the condition equal 0 is lesser than a, lesser than 1. Next one, x integral 0 to pi x sin x dx over 1 minus 2a cos x plus a square is having two results, pi over a into ln 1 plus a, where modulus a is lesser than 1. Next is pi ln 1 plus 1 over a modulus a greater than 1. Integral 0 to pi cos mx over 1 minus 2a cos x plus a square, which is equal pi into a power m over 1 minus a square, where a square is lesser than 1, where m equal to 0, 1, 2 like. Next one, sine a x square dx, integral 0 to infinity sine a x square dx is further equal 0 to infinity cos a x square dx equal 1 by 2 square root of pi by 2a. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine a x power n. This one, x power n here, instead of square it is x power n, we have 1 over n into a power 1 by n factorial function of 1 over n cos of pi over 2n, where n is greater than 1. Next one, the same with cos. Integral 0 to infinity cos a power xn dx 1 over n a power 1 over n cos of pi by 2n where n is greater than 1. This both results same. Here further factorial function of 1 over n cos of pi by 2n, where n is greater than 1. Integral 0 to infinity sin x over root x, which is equal further integral 0 to infinity cos x over root x equal integral 0 to integral pi square root of pi by 2. Next one, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x over x power p dx equal pi over 2 factorial function of p sin of p pi by 2, where the condition 0 is lesser than p lesser than 1. Next one, integral 0 to infinity cos x over x power p dx equal pi over 2 factorial of p cos of p pi by 2. Here the also condition p is greater than 0 lesser than 1. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sin ax square cos 2bx dx is equal 1 by 2 square root of pi over 2a of cos b squared over a minus sin b squared over a. integral 0 to infinity cos ax square into cos 2bx dx equals half integral pi by 2a of cos of, that is cos of b squared over 2a plus sine of b squared over a. Here for sine ax square cos 2bx into dx is here minus comes, here plus comes, that is different. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine cube x dx over x cube is equal 3 pi by 8. Next one, integral 0 to infinity sine power 4x dx x power 4 which is equal pi by 3. Next one, integral 0 to infinity tan x dx by x is pi by 2. Next one, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx over 1 plus tan power mx is pi by 4. Next one, integral 0 to pi by 2 tan inverse x by x tan inverse x by pi is equal 1 by 1 cube minus 1 over 3, this one square, 3 square plus 1 over 5 square plus 1 over 7 square, like it continues. One more formula here. Sine inverse x dx over x pi by 2 len 2. Next is 1 minus cos x over x dx 0 to 1 in integral 0 to 1, which is minus integral 0 to infinity cos x over x dx, which is equal comma is some having value, comma function. Next one, 0 to infinity 1 over 1 plus x square minus cos x dx by x is also a comma function. Next one, 0 to infinity tan inverse px minus tan inverse qx over x dx equal pi by 2 len p by q. So far we discussed about integral, that is limited integral, means formulae of definite integrals involving trigonometric function we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.